right, and good afternoon. It is Thursday, August the 13th. A little bit warm today. We're looking at about 30 degrees here, Celsius, but we have a nice breeze. So we thought, you know what, get out of the house, get off the couch, turn off Netflix, and let's go for a ride. And it's a good thing I brought the extra larger water bottle. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. Thanks for following. It's looking like the community college up here in the north end of Etobicoke must be gearing up for the new school year. Starting to notice a couple more people on the path. And these e-scooters, I guess, are going to be very popular this year.